Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. It's your girl Designer Soapbox. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to remove collections with Upturn Credit. So if you haven't heard what Upturn is, this is an app. So what is Upturn Credit? Upturn Credit is a disputing app for TRANSUNION. Okay, so basically you cannot dispute inquiries. However, you can dispute derogatory items such as collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, anything that is affecting your credit score or your credit report. It just can't be inquiries. So any derogatory accounts that's in the negative, this is what you use Upturn Credit for. This will not dispute items for Experian or Equifax, but it will dispute the items that's on your TRANSUNION credit report because Upturn is partnered with TRANSUNION. So it's basically a disputing app for TRANSUNION. So I'm going to dive right into the video. I'm not going to waste anybody's time. I will have either another video discussing more about Upturn, but this is the process on how to remove collections. Okay. So steps on how to dispute: you must go to the App Store. You can type in Upturn Credit, and I have a screenshot of what it looks like on the iOS app. So that's what it looks like on the iOS app when you go to the App Store. Steps on it is once you download the app, it's going to ask you your information. It's going to ask you to put in your date of birth, your last 4 digits of your social security number. So once it runs your information, it will list the affecting accounts from TRANSUNION. So basically, these are the accounts that are negatively impacting your accounts on TRANSUNION from your credit report. So once it lists those negative or affecting accounts from your TRANSUNION, usually those are like collections, bankruptcies, charge-offs, stuff like that. Then you will go to this account is inaccurate, and then after that you will go to this account is in litigation, and then there's going to be an option that says I'm disputing this account for the reason that I previously stated. So basically you're disputing this account for the reason that you previously stated, which is this account is inaccurate. Then you want to do that for each account. Then it will combine all of your disputes in one final dispute to send to the credit bureaus. Then also additional, if it does have like additional comments, just add I'm disputing this account for the reason that I previously stated this account is inaccurate. So you can also put that in additional comments if you want. That's all you really need. You don't need to say anything else. You can if you want to, but there has been success with the information that I'm giving you right now. Then you want to do click submit, or you want to go to the submit button. Then you want to wait for a response. So this is where your patience comes in. So some say they have seen results as little as 30 minutes after submitting this dispute. Remember, I did say in previous videos that I'm a part of a lot of credit groups that talk about, how to build credit and stuff like that. So I am also learning as well as giving you guys information as I come about. So, several people have said this, so I just wanted to put it out there. Like, if you decide to do this, you may see results as fast as 30 minutes. You may not. I'm just saying. This is called the Upturn Credit Hack. I don't see a lot of videos about this yet. However, this is the credit hack that has been working for the past year or two. So, my final thoughts. So I wouldn't be Designer Soapbox if I didn't give you guys my final thoughts about Upturn Credit. Now, I did this video to tell you guys what Upturn Credit is and how to dispute these collections. This could be a method for you. However, for me personally, disputing online, I have not did it yet because disputing online can potentially waive your rights to disputing by mail or by phone. It can waive your rights, and if you don't get the results that you want, disputing by mail usually is when you can send multiple letters after the first one. Disputing online, you can't necessarily do that. Once you get the results, you get the results. It's over. So it all depends on you. right? Some people have had success in disputing online, but these are my final thoughts. I just want to give you my input, just in case you guys wanted to know. And another thing is collections could possibly come back. So this is with any disputing. So this is with disputing by mail, this is with disputing by phone, or disputing online. Some collections do possibly come back. I'm not saying that your collection will come back, but some have in the past had the collections come back. So the best thing, in my opinion, if it does come back, just settle the debt after it's removed, or settle the debt once it comes back. But it all depends. Some I've seen experiences where they say that their collection came back after 10 years, after 5 years. So you never know when the collection can come back verified. But just keep in mind that if this does happen, you can also settle the debt and be done with it. So I wanted to, just do this video for you. Let me know if you, heard of Upturn. Let me know if you heard of the Upturn Credit Hack. Let me know if this is something that you're going to possibly do. Let me know if you've done it and you already had results. How was the experience? Let me know. Let me know if this is something that, hey, Designer Soapbox, this is great information, but I don't think I'm going to go ahead and do it. But, thanks for putting it out there. Thanks for letting me know that there's other things that I could do. Just let me know. And that's what I'm here for. I want to make sure that you guys know all the options that you guys can have repairing your credit. So good luck, everyone. And I really appreciate you for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This will help the video algorithm out, and this will also encourage me to do more videos. I really appreciate this you guys watching. Let's get this video to 100 likes, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast. Super fast, actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.